You know I know.
Happy Monday, everybody. As you can see, we're just up to over $6,500 raised and over 150 miles run after 14 days of the running portion in this 330 series. For those of you who are new to us here, we are raising money for Black Lives Matter by running in protest to the tune of 300 miles in 30 days. I am also sharing health habits that I'm in the process of learning and putting into practice along the way. This week, we're getting into a couple of curated topics of everybody's favorite high school class, biology. So let's get into today's topic, the gut. You may have heard of the gut being our second brain, and it's not too far from the truth. The gut refers to what's technically called the enteric nervous system, which is an interconnected highway of nerve cells or neurons that line the muscle walls of our digestive system from our esophagus all the way down to, well, you know. Do you ever feel queasy during a tense situation or get butterflies in your stomach? This is because your gut's network of hundreds of millions of neurons play an extremely important role beyond just digesting food. Up to 90% of the cells involved in our gut responses carry information to the brain rather than receiving messages from it, making your gut as influential to your mood as your head is. The gut uses more than 30 neurotransmitters, including 95% of the serotonin that exists in our body, the transmitter that regulates mood and happiness. This poses promise to those who suffer from anxiety and depression, as we know that those who maintain a healthy gut ecosystem directly influences our positive mental state. The other massive and crazy part of this system is the relationship that our gut has with bacteria that lives in it. This may sound weird, but there is more bacteria that lives in our body than there are human cells. This world of bacteria is called microbiota and plays a symbiotic dance with us. They help us digest food, fight viruses, and communicate with our neurotransmitters to send important messages in our enteric nervous system, influencing how we feel. In turn, we provide them food and shelter. You've probably heard the term probiotics before. Probiotics are good in that it introduces new good bacteria into our gut, but prebiotics may be just not, if more important, in that it helps feed the millions of bacteria that already exist in our gut. Maintaining a healthy gut biome ensures not just that our active and native neurons are in good shape, but that bacteria are as well. So, simply put, our gut health affects our mental well-being and our processing clarity, our physical health like weight and inflammatory states, as well as our energy drive and even the health of our skin and our hair. So the requisite question to ask from all of this is, how do I maintain a healthy gut? Last week's nutritional habits certainly could help, but there are a number of other great sources to look into. I keep bringing up this guy's name, but Dr. Mark Hyman is a fantastic place to start. I've also been reading this book, Healthy Gut, Healthy You, passed on to by my mom. It's incredibly easy to understand, but also dives in more thoroughly to subjects if needed. More sources exist in my notes. Also, a link there is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as a link to donate to this cause. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you tomorrow.